Yeah, that was the Woodside Tavern. Now it's a Mill and Carter. And that building there used to be the music hire group. It's been closed down for a long time, but all renovated over the last few years. And my mum used to work there. They used to make pinball machines and slot machines. This area here was called the Top Shop, and this is where all the completed axles were loaded up on the trucks, and then they would go up this drive here, which was a little bit different in them days, but yeah, it's called the dispatch department, and I had an uncle that worked in there for 30 years. And there's the bridge, and on the other side of there, that's where the stamp shop was. Really famous for the big hammers, and you could hear the stamping at least 6 miles away. This is the River Aire, which runs right through the factory, or did it when it was a factory. Yeah. Who says trains are not on time, huh? Got two trains, yeah. I'll never see that again. I want this catch a train. Yeah, that's the Bradford one, yeah, Foster Square.
Yeah. Leeds going with the other ones.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that. We wanted to see a couple of trains, and two turned up at the same time, so yeah, can't beat that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.